Here I've got Realme 6 and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first let's open the camera app, then tap on the more icon, and here you will notice timer. Just click on it and just by tapping you can change the mode, so you have 3 or 10 seconds delay. Let me show you how it works. You will see the numbers, the countdown on your screen, and afterwards the picture will be grabbed. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. And if you'd like to switch it off, just click here again and switch the timer off. As you can see, now the picture will be grabbed right after you click. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can use camera timer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.